Welcome back to KTN Prime. President William Ruto has kicked off an intensive 4-day tour across Western Kenya, unveiling a series of development projects aimed at boosting local healthcare and infrastructure. While highlighting the projects, President Ruto also threw his weight behind the UDA candidate in Malava constituency, signaling a fierce political showdown ahead. President Ruto at the same time warned the opposition to brace for a fierce contest in the 2027 elections. Here's Elvis Koskei, who filed this report for us.
Speaking during a 4-day tour of the Western region, President William Ruto unveiled development initiatives aimed at boosting healthcare, housing, and infrastructure in the region. He directed the government agencies to ramp up the availability of medicine in hospitals from 68% to 98% by December 2025.
Ile program ya National Equipment Program, tutaweka hapa equipment ya milioni 150. Mnanielewa jameni? Mnanielewa? Kwa sababu matibabu ni mambo matatu.
Kule Butere kuzindua rasmi hiyo Level 4 hospital yetu. Umekuja hapa Malava KMTC na pia msururu yote ya maendeleo Mheshimiwa Rais. Sisi tuko mbele yako, tutakusimama na wewe.
President also laid the foundation stone for the Butere Medical Training College campus and instructed the 10 acres be carved out of the Kenya Railways land to construct 1,500 affordable housing units. On the infrastructure front, the head of state launched the construction of several key roads, including the 22-kilometer Malava-Samitsi-Navakholo Road.
Kali for this year, 2.5 billion shillings kutengeneza mabarabara kilomita 295 Kakamega County.
President at the same time campaigned for the UDA candidate in Malava and urged opposition parties to begin preparing for the 2027 elections.
Munipatie huyu kijana anaitwa David Ndakwa afanye kazi na mimi, tumalize ile kazi Malulu alianzisha, alafu tuende mbele pamoja. Mutanisaidia kunipatia kura ya huyu mungwana?
Na bado tuko na mwaka moja, Ruto atakuwa na miaka ingine tena mbele huko zinazokuja. Ukifanya hapa makosa utaingia kwa ofisi ya nani?
Hiyo ni porojo. Wale watapiga kura hapa ni wale wamesajiliwa hapa Malava na ni wakabarasi.
The government has allocated funds to complete Buhungu Stadium and expand affordable housing in Kakamega County. Elvis Koskei, KTN.
Well, that story by Elvis Koskei leads us